it's been a while since we talked, and my head's getting nervous. I can't handle this on and off. I can't, no. I just gotta know where you are if I want to remain sane. But you're ghosting every text and call. Oh no, you could be running off with somebody.
What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haylee, and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. On my channel, I love sharing tons of cleaning motivation, mom motivation, homemaking, and all things decorating videos. So if you are into those kind of videos, I would love to have you guys stick around. In today's video, we're going to be just giving this house a really good, quick speed clean. Nothing crazy, just kind of tidying up after just playing in the morning and just getting things straightened up. And then I'm also going to be deep cleaning my Tinco stick vacuum and getting that all nice and cleaned up, because I felt like after all the decorating with the flocking, my vacuum just wasn't performing very well. So let's go ahead and get this living room cleaned up. Waverly first started out for like, I don't know, maybe like a minute or two that she was sleeping. I spent most of the nap time editing and doing other things. So I was getting to tidying up, and she woke up pretty much after this, which I wasn't surprised about. But she'll come in a minute and kind of hang out. She didn't wake up very happy this day.
Don't wanna waste no time getting my feelings hurt. I believe in those things we don't know much of. There's just so much to see that ain't about love. I'm ready to face my fears, I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna.
When I was doing her hair this day, she was like, I just want a little pony, which means that she just wants one pony. So I went ahead and did that, but because of all of her little baby hairs, after her nap, I definitely had to redo it. Basically, the ponytail was non-existent, and then I put a little clip in, and that just kind of helps keep most of the hairs away. I usually try to do hairstyles that involve like multiple ponytails, so that way all those flyaway hairs don't like go out, and her hair's pretty like slicked back almost. There's definitely times that her hair isn't like that, but I usually like to have her hair done for the most part, so that way she can see, because her hair is so long that it just gets in her face. So it's definitely not a perfect hairstyle today, but it will do. We were just having a lazy day. But let's finish up cleaning this living room. We had lots of just random toys that needed tidied up this day.
No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we are. Just go to the deepest day. I never got to let loose, hanging out with you. You tossed and you turned our love into a stiff statue. My brain was having enough, like my thoughts just died. Now all I think of is leaving this bad old spot. I'm ready to face my fears, I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we are. Just go to the deepest end. I can't forget what you've done. The way you act won't take me back. Just go. Yeah, I can't forget what you've done. The way you act won't take me back. Just go.
I wanted to give these couches a quick little vacuum because I felt like there was a lot of crumbs and food. Life with the toddler, there's always something on the couch. So I wanted to get them nice and cleaned. Sorry for the background noise too. Waverly is awake when I'm doing this voiceover, and it's never quiet when that happens. But hopefully soon I'm also going to spot clean all of these couches with a washcloth and some cleaner, just to get all of those areas nice and clean, and then also put baking soda on it to just get them all cleaned up. Here I was dancing with Waverly because I was trying to just get her happier. You never, like, sometimes they just wake up not very happy from their naps, and that was just one of those days. But I also had an outfit change. It was really warm in our house, and it was fine when I was like just kind of like sitting editing, but as soon as I got up and I started like moving and cleaning, I was like, yep, I need to definitely change. This is not going to work. But now I'm going to clean off this table. It wasn't too messy, and then once we do that, we'll move into the kitchen.
I just want to let you know, behind the mirrors and all that smoke, promises and alibis, I don't believe. Told me you would change my world. Now I know what you are worth. Gone and lost your hold on me. I don't believe. Had me acting like a fool, to no use. Got me wondering why you still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting for your darling a zero. No hint of a hero. Now you're selling me a story.
I need to get some more all-purpose cleaner. It was like about out today, and it was making it so hard to get things cleaned up. So I definitely need to add that to the list of things that I need to get soon.
But I don't believe you. Every now and then you lose in life. What you're risking when you roll the dice. Now I'm gonna place the bet on me. I do believe you will learn what it's like to fail. Gave a little and far too late.
I'm going ahead and cleaning up all these bowls. Waverly had pulled them all out and was playing with them, so now it's time to get that all cleaned up, put the rug back, and just kind of work on slowly getting this kitchen back together. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean off these counters, and then I will use my Jaws kitchen cleaner to just kind of do a light cleaning of the stovetop. I wasn't wanting to do anything major, but this just kind of got some of the stuck on food off of it.
When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shiny dust, and we won't ever get enough. They don't know. In your eyes I put my trust. Babe, you're my all-time favorite drug. Let them keep talking about us, 'cause they don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. Good as gold, got this on lock, and they can't ever make us stop it. Come take my hand, get on this rocket. They don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits.
I'm going to go ahead and just tackle these dishes. The majority of the dishes could fit into the dishwasher, and I started it. And then I did have, I think, like a dish or two that I did have to hand wash, which wasn't a big deal. It didn't take me very long. So I'm just going to quickly get all of that done.
Songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shiny dust. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride until the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies.
I just wanted to give the vacuum a really, not the vacuum, the floors a really good vacuum. And I was noticing as I was vacuuming, it just wasn't picking up too much. And I could see that there was like a bunch of flocking like wrapped around. So I decided once I got done with vacuuming, I was going to go ahead and deep clean my vacuum. So that way I could get a more thorough clean whenever I got this clean. But it worked for now. It did pick up the majority of it. There was just some stuff that it should have been able to pick up and it wasn't.
This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts. This is my time to bring it. We'll move all night, no worries.
Right here I was looking at my husband like, you just cut a pomegranate and that just fell in it and got it all gross. So I was like, it's a good thing I'm going to be washing that and getting it clean anyways. But here I was just going to use this little attachment on my vacuum. First I was kind of like getting like the loose dust out, and then I was going to just put this on the vacuum and you just turn it on and you twist it and it's really nice. And you are supposed to clean these like once a month. I saw on, I don't even know where it said it. It said it on, I think maybe just the vacuum. And I have not been cleaning this once a month, like the actually washing it. So I went ahead and got the majority of the dust out, and then I will go ahead and wash it here in a minute. But I wanted to just get the majority of all this dust picked up before I washed it. And then I am going to go on like the spin part that's like the bottom and use my tool that's like the cutting hair tool and use my brush and get all of the major hair and dust out of it. And then I'm also going to take it apart so I can wash all the pieces.
This is my time to make you dance, dance. You're never gonna catch me. Dance, dance. So what if I'm crazy? Can't take me out. I'll never come down, down, down. Hey boy, can you catch me?
Okay, so as for like cleaning them, I just was using my Dawn power wash, and then there was some things that I wasn't sure like if they could get fully wet. Here I was just wiping off like the motor part of the vacuum, and then I'm also going to wipe off like the stick part. I didn't dare like get that part fully wet because I didn't know what would happen if I did. So some things I got fully wet, and then other things I wasn't sure, so I just used a damp cloth and just kind of like washed it here and there. And then I will go in with like a toothbrush to get some parts a little bit better too.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night.
Those were just a few afters from the day before. Now it's the next day. I'm going to go ahead and put all of the pieces together so I can start using my vacuum again.
So clear. All we got is here and now. So give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind. Close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it calm.
I'm just finishing putting everything back together on this vacuum, and then that's going to be it for today's video. My vacuum is running way better than it was before, so I'm so happy that I did this. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye!